Okay, I've just got back from the post office and I thought this was some Christmas decor that I'd bought for myself. So I opened up the top and I was like, oh, it's like pajamas or something. I thought I'd wait and open this with you so you could see it. You know, me in person, if you look around my house, there's, look, VP. There are V's and P's everywhere. I don't know what that says about me, only child. But that's the first thing that's come out. I didn't even see that before. But I did see these poking out. And this. So this is Burt's Bees, True to Nature. Celebrate the festive season and make gifting a breeze with the perfectly packed gifts from Burt's Bees. So that's getting the holiday spirit with these cozy winter woodland PJs made from soft organic cotton. I've never had Christmas pajamas, and now watching so much YouTube, I feel like I'm the only one in the world who doesn't wear Christmas pajamas. Turn your iron on and heat. Okay, so that V is to go onto these. I thank you so much, Burt's Bees. I didn't ask for these. I didn't know I was getting them, but you have made my whole day, because I always feel like I'm doing I've done all my Christmas shopping for everyone else, and it's something for me. Hopefully I think they might have guessed my size right. Large. There's the top, and I'm going to put the V on there. And look at the bottoms. And I think they're going to fit. Oh, what else is in here? This is like Christmas come early. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Gentle cream cleanser, which I've had before. And actually, I've got some of these for friends, for like young teenage friends this Christmas, or family, because this is a gentle cream cleanser and it is really soft. There's no scent. It's lovely. And body lotion with aloe. And of course, unscented and amazing and unscented lip balm. So I can't wear minty or like plumping or tingly lip balms because my lips are always really dry and sore. So should I gift that to somebody or should I keep it? I feel like I should give it to someone. Hand creams. Wild berry and rose. I love rose, obviously. You can see from the perfume I've just given away, which are my stories. Lavender and honey and watermelon and mint. I feel so lucky. Oh my god, it's a lip set. Hydrating lip oil. What looks like a lip mask, which looks like the Laneige lip mask. And I think I should do a giveaway because I can't keep this all for me, can I? It's a bit. Okay, oh, so this peony, so this is a lip balm but with a tint in it. I've had it before and it's like a moisturising but with a gentle bit of colour. That is such a good handbag lip balm to have, just to give you an extra little tinted lip balm. Okay, I'm going to do a giveaway. I don't want to. Thank you so much, Burt's Bees. Right, so let me organise all of this and then figure out what we're going to do with it all.